Alright, trading recap for the 6th of October. Yeah, down 4R, not a very good day. Here's the trades log. Just traded BTBT and CCL. I got chopped up good and proper on BTBT, and here it goes. This thing was acting really weird. It is a relatively low float, 20 mil from what I got here, so that I can explain it. So pre-market, it was moving really nicely. It would move kind of shelf, move, shelf, move, shelf. And I was really looking for this liquidity level up here. Granted, it's a second day move, so I shouldn't have expected it to go right off the hop. But it just looked super strong, had huge volume, 1.2 mil. So I took a 1 minute breakout, which is, I mean, looking back, like, this is the dumbest trade. Then I took a full stop out. So that's 1R. Then I tried to go long. No, I think I went long. I tried to add in on the dip. It took us, no. Anyway, I got long, stop out. Got long, trying to buy the dip, stop out the next minute. So that's down 2R. Then I got long long again, kind of like a 3-bar play. Stopped myself out because I saw what they just weren't letting it past this level, and I saw, well, we had such a big drop. Like, typically you up, drop, up, but there should have been a drop. Like, it wasn't gonna just straight go. Then I got in again, and I added in on size kind of for the break of this level, and they whipped it past, and then shook it straight down, and I got stopped out, and then it did the infinite dump. Double bottomed. I saw the double bottom of this trend line here, and I was looking at it, I'm like, well, it's pretty weak now. And then when it kind of did a 2-minute 3-bar play, this is kind of a Hail Mary on it. I really just wanted to get my money back on it. Like, 2-minute 3-bar play long. I got in, stopped myself out for half an hour. Look at this thing, eh? Some poor soul just keeps hammering along. Some of it was me. And then it had that look like I just put my stop at a measured move, and the volume was coming in, and I thought, here we go. And when it just didn't let go, I said, nah, like, this is stupid. This is so dumb. This thing is just pointless to trade. So made some money back on CCL, gapping down. I think it did have news. Anyway, so I traded CCL on a 5-minute 3-bar play. Right here, thrust candle, wait, to put stop loss up here, got in short. Then I added in for a bit of the retest here. So it kind of retested, wasn't going anywhere, low volume, so I added in. So I could have had 2R, but what happened was SPY really started to bull here. Like, really started to bull. As seen by, as seen by this. So when that started making its recovery, I decided, yeah, this thing just wasn't, like, it just kept making little bits of lower highs, or lower lows. The volume started coming in. I was like, okay, this was a short trap. Now they're going to take it back to value. I mean, granted, this thing might still just die. I really don't know. But in any case, I also had Palantir on my list to trade long, and had Catalyst. Honestly, it's just gap and craft. And here this thing is on some sort of, 15-minute 3-bar play, whatever. It's had a pretty bad day. BBIG, I didn't trade. broke out of the lows here. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. It's on SSR. This thing also, it had a downgrade from someone. So yeah, it's gonna have a rough day here. Yeah, it's out of the range. It's right now sitting at support, but anyway, couldn't trade that. Already done its ATR. NVAX, really didn't want to trade. I just wanted to trade it below this 166 level, back down to 155. Kind of had its V bottom, come back up. Oxy, same thing as X. Nothing here. This was like a low float short play that I'm looking at. But I'm not going to trade it. This thing as well. Yeah, if anything, take it short somewhere here. I'll just kind of, I'm not going to take it short, just look at it and see how it goes. Yeah, this was a complete disaster. All of this was like a total, and like I got had put good and proper on this. I really thought I wanted this liquidity level up here. Like, it looked so strong. Like, it looked so strong. This is it right here. So, I don't know if they'll let it go there today or not, but the only really decent trade on this would have been this one here. This one I knew was early. This one I shouldn't have let happen, so. And this one here was a decent trade. It had that look like it was like Wyckoff bottoming. Had the thrust on volume. Kind of the retest, got in for the retest. That one wasn't a bad play either. Anyway.